How do you see money? Is it something you work for or earned or inherited? Is the cause of all the evils you're desperate to get, but you've been chasing money most of your life? The truth is that your view of money was influenced by the environment where you grew up. So if you were born in a family environment that had no money, then you will believe that you will not earn much, or maybe you rebelled with this situation and followed the opposite path to never but getting past that. The fact that school doesn't teach much about the subject doesn't help much, and because of that most of you will have false beliefs that won't help you the way you learn to see money. Movies have always been in the habit of portraying the rich as treacherous, evil, privileged, or corrupt people. Percent of them started from scratch. Others confirm this fact. Warren Buffett started from scratch. Howard Schultz was born poor. Oprah Winfrey was born poor. Jeff Bezos started from scratch. Elon Musk started from scratch. Sarah Blakely started from scratch. What do these people know and you don't? Truth is, your formula is wrong. Here is the linear equation you learn: money equal to the salary of a job. From a certain point, the perspective of a job becomes the sole purpose of teaching. What's wrong with that, you ask? If you are watching this, you want to make money, a lot of money, and in the shortest time possible, and that is your goal. So this formula will never work. We all have a resource, precious, the most precious of all. When it's gone, there isn't. But how to get this resource back is time. In a normal job, the value you earn is to provide the time you devote to the service. If you earn 20 per hours and work 40 hours per week, it will take 24 years to accumulate 1 million in your account, but that is without tax or expense discounts that you will have over that 24 years. And don't forget that in fractions it would make your 1 million much less valuable. The reality is that with a salary of 20 an hour, you can only really be a millionaire in old age if you live saving. And then most of that precious resource called top you will have drained through your hands, and you've traded all that precious time for money. And don't even miss such a big value. Again, you wonder, how can there be millionaires so young? The video continues.